Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to change design elements on your digital portfolio if you'd like to do that. So here I am at my Google site. I have a few sites, so I have to choose the one that I want to work with today. This is my digital portfolio site you've seen before. However, it probably looks different than a lot of the templates you've seen. To make this, I basically started with the template. So I chose one of the templates that I liked the basic design of, and not design really, the layout. I liked the layout of it. So it had the header here and a lot of space to write in the center with one list at the left for the table of contents. Then I went and I changed almost each one of the elements within that theme so that it would look the way I wanted it to. So here's how I did it. I went up here to the gear and you go down to Manage Site. When you get to this page, scroll down to Themes, Colors, and Fonts on the left side. And this is where you pretty much make all of your changes. So to understand how this is set up, it's like a sideways outline. So these are the main headings. So if each time you click on one of these, then these are the subheadings. So you have, for entire page, you have background and text for that. Then under site header, you have background and title. And under content area, you have each of these choices. So you choose the big section and then the subsection. And then once you chose the subsection, these are all the different things you can do with it. So here on the entire page, I changed the background color only. And I used this button right here to choose a color I liked. That's this color you see on the sides of the page. It's basically the background of the entire page. So that's how you do that. I didn't use an image or a wrapper image there. I just changed the color. On the text for the entire page, this was basically what influenced this text on the left side, which is my my table of contents. I chose here a font called Fredoka 1. I left the color, size, and link color the same as they were in the theme. So you can see that this is blue. So I chose a theme that had kind of a basic blue color because I liked that color. And so I don't now have to go and change a lot of the font colors, although you could do that if you wanted to, right? It was fine for me. So when you go to this pull-down menu, I'm not going to click on it because it takes a while to load. This is a massive list of fonts. It's huge. So you have so many choices. Try different ones and see how they look, because as you click on different ones, it will change down here so you can see the preview of what it's going to look like. So that's what I did for my entire page. For my site header, I made a lot of changes too. So first of all, I didn't put a color on my site header. Instead, I put an image. So this design right here, this kind of blue star design, is from a different site. And I'm going to make another video to show you how to make one of those if you want to. But I basically saved the image to my file. And then when you click here, you go and get the image and you open it and you insert it that way. All right. So that's how I put that image in there. Then I went to title and I changed the font of the title to this called Henny Penny, and I changed the color to black, and I changed the size to 24 points. And I had to play with these a little bit to get them to work. I also got rid of that Lancer here. In the content area, this is the page, this is the part of the page where you're actually doing your text writing. I did make some changes here. I wanted the page title to always be this font, and I wanted the title of my text, the heading, to always be in this font. So here's where I did it. My site, my page title was this one right here, Locky Ready, in 24-point font. And I left it as the original color, which was black. Then my headers, which are these right here, I made, let's see. Oh, I didn't make it as, I made it as, oh, that's not the header. This is the header right here, Fredoka 1. So that's this right here. And Fredoka 1 was then in 16-point font, also in black. I left these as normal and then the text as normal. So the text was as it would normally be on the page. But you can make any whatever changes you want here, and you should try different things and see what you like. Now, the content area gadgets, the sidebar gadgets, and the horizontal navigation didn't really apply to my page because I haven't added any gadgets in the content nor in the sidebar, and I don't have any horizontal navigation on this page, so I don't have to worry about those. I left them all as they were, and it turned out fine. So once you've made all those changes and tried a lot of different things to see what you like, then you have to make sure that you close that you save it before you close it. So don't close the page before you click the save button here, and that's going to save all of the changes that you made. And then you'll be able to go back to your page and see what it looks like. And then you can kind of click through the other pages that you've created and see how that format looks on the different pages, right? So you can see that my font, you can see how my font looks on this page, and then again how my font looks on this page as well. And if I don't like it, I could go back and change it. So that's how you do it. Good luck. Have fun.